What's up, everybody? I want to show you how to create AI videos that are talking, whether they're of you or an avatar of some kind that you want to create. There's so many different ways to do this now that are out there. And so I'm going to give you my workflow that I've found. This isn't going to be exhaustive, but it's going to show you enough to get you playing around and get it started, okay? Now, a couple of tools that you're going to need to do the highest quality of this. Number one, Higgsfield. Higgsfield AI is literally the top dog when it comes to creating images that look like people. And they have their what's called Higgsfield Soul platform. What Higgsfield Soul allows you to do, I've created a couple different versions for myself right here, is they allow you to, and they don't all look like me exactly, but they are good enough to create a character from videos that I did right here. This was like a Twitch streamer right here. Okay, so if I created this is one shot right here that I could use. Here's a couple of others. And what you can do is, here's some of my mom that we created. Um, they have this thing called Soul Character Generator, which allows you to upload photos of yourself or a person, and then it will generate a character that you can use to generate any kind of photos with this. And so that's something that I think is really cool, is the ability to do this. This is one right here that I created. The prompt was simply close-up selfie style, someone casually at a desk chair, iPhone photography. Okay. So what we can do is we can actually go ahead and we can either create a video with this if we want to. And here's a couple of videos that I actually created the other day, which was a man walking towards a camera. This is, again, to represent me. This is a man in a forest with a flamethrower. So the way that you do this is you literally, again, go ahead in Higgsfield, go to the Soul Generator. You're going to have to create an account with Higgsfield. The pricing is pretty reasonable for what they give you to create your account. I have the ultimate plan, but you can also do pretty much the same with the pro plan. And they also have the soul character creation in the $9 a month plan. But this just gives you a lot more generations and things like that. Okay? So then you can create an image by describing what it is, what the scene is. They also do have this version right here. I was testing this one iPhone version. I think it does some weird things to my face. And so if I go ahead and I generate this without doing that iPhone version, this might look a little bit more like me. Some of these don't look exactly like me. Some of the face is a little off, but it's pretty cool as far as what it's able to do. Like, I think that one actually does kind of look like me, though I look a little bit like I smoked some weed or something in that photo. I guess it fits the prompt though. Um, so, anyways, you literally just describe whatever you want in this. Now, here's the other thing that you can do: is you can actually duplicate photo shoots that you've seen that are around the web, and this is a method that I love right here. And so, if I take this and I go Twitch video game streamer, this is just an example of this right here, and I go images. Okay, I can actually take an image of someone. Here's one right here. This is good. I can take this image, copy it into ChatGPT. So I screenshotted it and I said, describe this image in detail as if you are describing a scene to recreate it in a AI photo generation app. Okay? And so what this is going to do is this is going to create a description of this photo right here. So we're going to pause this. All right, copy and paste description. A mid shot of a male gamer streamer sitting at his desk. Okay, perfect. So we can actually take this prompt right here that this generated, and we can paste this into Higgsfield, turn off prompt enhance, and see as well what this generates from that prompt. This one actually came out a little bit better off of this. I don't like the thinning on the face that it's doing. This one's pretty decent right there still as well. So then in Higgsfield, once you do that, you can open up the video generator. So any image you can turn into a video. So what we'll do is, again, we'll go under our images. that we generated here. And they don't take a long time to generate. And then we could say, okay, generate a video. So what I might say is man talking on camera at Twitch stream station. I can generate up to 10 seconds of a video. And then there's a tool that I can actually use called 11 Labs right here. 11 Labs allows you to actually clone your voice. And this is really incredible that it's able to do this. It actually has a thing now where it verifies that it actually is your voice, so that there's not like deep fakes and things like that. So what I do is I created a voice for myself using their Pro voice creation tool called Create a Voice Clone right here. Pro voice clone. I uploaded almost 2 hours of audio of me talking, and then I was able to create a voice clone. I can say, I love creating AI videos that are clones of me, and I don't even have to record on camera. And then I'll press generate speech, and you can hear it. It's really quick. I love creating AI videos that are clones of me, and I don't even have to record on camera. It's pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. I mean, I'm liking it. I'm a fan of the quality of that. Okay, so there's that right there. So now this is going to generate us a video that we can pull into another app and use. You can do all of this in Higgsfield. However, there's another app that I also like to use for this. So we'll show you both workflows. In Higgsfield, if I click on speak right here, I can actually take the image that we use. Whoopsie. Yeah, so it's making me either do an avatar or upload an image. So if I actually go to my images that I generated, so we'll go back to the like the Twitch streaming right here. Say we use this one. We click on speak instead of video. It's going to load this up, and then I can actually upload that audio that 11 Labs created us. So I can upload this audio right here. Okay. And I can go ahead and select it once it's done uploading. There we go. We'll click on generate man in chair talking about how he likes making AI videos. Okay, so there's this version right here that does this. They also let you use what's called Kling Speak. And Kling Speak, I think, is a little bit better quality. There's another app as well called Kling, and you can use klingai.com to do this. Kling AI is one of the highest quality video AIs that is out there that exists. Okay, so keep that in mind as well. And the reason why we like Kling is it also has it's really one of the highest quality video AIs. Like if you want to create AI films, Kling is the one that you want to use for this, for quality. Okay, if I can go right here under video, and they actually have, this is where you can do that fear is costing you. These are a couple I made. Have you ever hovered over send or rewritten a post the other day? If I click on avatar, I can go under lip sync. And then what they let us do is they let us upload a video to add lip sync to. Okay. So that's why what we're doing is we're generating videos, and then we're able to create lip sync on top of those videos. So here's a video. This is the video it made. And again, doesn't look perfectly like me, but it's good enough to create some kind of a combo with this. Okay, so we're going to save this, and then we could go into Kling. We can upload that video right here. Here's that video. Okay, we're going to upload this. Detecting character. Here we go. and you upload a file for dubbing. This is our 11 Labs video file right here. It's going to add this audio right there. Want to add this speech. Press generate. And now it is generating. It'll take about 3 minutes to lip sync my AI generated audio to that video clip that we generated. Let's see how Higgsfield is doing with some of the speech ones that we also did over here. Higgsfield is running these as well to give us kind of some generations. Here's one I did the other day. Have you ever hovered over send or rewritten a post 10 times? See, I don't like the quality on that. Have you ever hovered over send or rewritten a post 10 times because you're afraid it's too much? All right, so I went ahead and here's one of the videos. I love creating AI videos that are clones of me, and I don't even have to record on camera. So again, the face is a little off. I think it might have been the angle. I did a couple here over in Kling as well, or in Higgsfield. I love creating AI videos that are clones of me, and I don't even have to record on camera. I love creating AI videos that are This was the one that I generated from that prompt. And that actually does look like me. A little bit skinnier than I am, but it actually looks very, very close, even to my facial structure and everything. So those ones I actually like a lot, the quality of. I made a couple of versions. I love creating AI videos that are clones of me, and I don't even have to record on camera. Even the Higgsfield one is really good. I love creating AI videos that are clones of me, and I don't even have to record on camera. I love creating AI videos that are clones of me, and I don't even have to record on camera. So I think that one is the one, the Kling one. Yep, the Kling one looks the best overall. So again, you can see how quickly, within just 12 minutes, we were able to go ahead and create these different AI videos, these different quality of different things like this, different tools that you can use for this. It takes some trial and error. The first time out, it doesn't always look perfect, and you got to tweak it, and you got to tune it. And that's where it can be a little bit time consuming as you play around with this. But overall, this is amazing. Being able to do this, being able to create content like this is really cool. Now, I like still creating content where I'm recording a video. This is actually me talking to you right now. But still, this is really incredible, being able to use AI to create videos like this. And so check it out, try it out for yourself, and see how it works.